तुर्क सदर रजब तैयब एर्दोगान ने कहा कि अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा पिछले कुछ बरसों से अपने क़याम के मकसदों में नाकाम हो गया है। अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा की जनरल असम्बली से खिताब में कहा कि अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा जंग अज़ीम दोम के बाद कायम की गई और इसका मकसद अमन और सिक्योरिटी को तहफ़्फ़ुज़ फराहम करना था।
Some people will be critical of us, but despite that fact, today, on the common rostrum of the human race, we will speak of the truth frankly and openly. Right now, the United Nations, under the roof of which we are found today, were established in the aftermath of the Second World War, in which millions of people have lost their lives to maintain international peace and security. With the establishment of the United Nations, expectations for global stability, peace, and justice were reborn, and hopes for peace were sprouted again. To put it bluntly, unfortunately, in the last few years, the United Nations has failed to fulfill its founding mission and has gradually become a dysfunctional structure.